Did you know that you can access the replay to your TikTok live video content and repost that live stream, as well as take snippets and highlights from it and create TikTok videos? I'm going to show you how to not only access that content, but how you can edit and repost it, whether you're doing it via your desktop or laptop or your mobile, so that you can repost those live streams, take highlights, and make TikTok videos. Now, if you are a TikTok live creator like myself, you've probably found it really frustrating that there's no replay option. You create your epic live stream content, you've spent time preparing for that live stream, but then you only have the ability to capitalize on the real-time experience, which is great. But what about our community who are not necessarily available at the time we are going live? They want to see our content, absolutely, but they have no option. Well, now you can create the space for your community to be able to catch you live or replay. Now, at the time of this recording, you can still only post up to 10 minutes of your replay. This is cool if you're going to be doing a live stream that is 10 minutes or less. You don't have to worry about editing or anything like that. But if you do have a longer live stream, you will have to condense that content down. Now, I wouldn't worry either way. Just roll it out, share your epic content, and then take the steps I'm going to show you to be able to repurpose that content on TikTok as well as other platforms. So this is what your TikTok profile will look like via your desktop or your laptop. When you're on your profile page, the first thing you want to do is select your profile image icon on the top right hand corner. Select your profile image and you will see a number of options that will come up. What you want to do is scroll down to the option that says Live Center. When you select the Live Center, you will see a number of options on your left hand side: home, analytics, live content, etc. What you want to do is scroll down to where it says Live Replays. Can you see it right there? You'll select Live Replays and you'll see a snippet of some of your most recent live streams on TikTok. So once you have accessed your live replays, you want to select the option that says View More. Once you have selected View More, you'll be able to see all of your live replays. At this point, you have the opportunity to do a number of things. Go through the various lists of the different replay options that you have on the left-hand side. You can select to immediately download the video, or you can see where it says download on the right-hand side, or you can see the option to edit. When you select the option to edit, you will be given two options. Number one, you will be able to do a quick edit, or you can take the live replay and edit it inside CapCut. Now, in order to edit via CapCut, you will need to download the app to your laptop or your desktop. You'll also need to make sure that you have the most up-to-date version of software on your computer. But I'm going to quickly show you the quick edit option. So you select quick edit. Once you have selected the quick edit option, you will see the compressed video file to the replay. All you'll want to do here is play the actual video. It's the same concept for any editing software that you would use. And once you've actually got to the point in the video that you want to clip, you would select the option split, which is in red on the left-hand side. And once you have split the video file, you would then delete that part that you don't want, and you would continue to repeat that process. And once you're happy with it, you would go to the right-hand side and select post. Or if you've made a mistake and you want to come back to it later, all you would need to do is go to the top left-hand side where it says edit clip and select the exit. And then you can see it says you can either save it or discard the video, and you would select discard. And once you have discarded your edits, it will bring you back to the live replays, and you would just then click the arrow icon left hand side and it will bring you back to the live center, and then you can select to go back to your profile and exit out. I know what you're thinking. This is epic, amazing, awesome stuff. But you might be saying, well, Janine, this is great, but it seems like this is a lot to do with all the other moving parts of creating video content on social media. You might be feeling a little bit overwhelmed. You don't know where to start. You can't keep up. Don't worry, I have got you covered. You have the opportunity to join the Video Boss Academy, where you will not only have the accountability as well as the support in creating video content, you will learn all of the up-to-date tips and strategies as a business owner marketing on social media using video. So be sure to click the description below to find out more. And now let's get into what you actually came here for, the old tickety-tock business. So now that I've shown you how to access the replays to your TikTok lives via your desktop or your laptop, I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing with slight differences via your mobile. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like on your mobile. By the way, do you prefer light mode or dark mode when it comes to perusing social media content on your mobile? Do let me know in the comments. So we're going to run through this in real time together. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is select the burger menu on the top right hand corner. And then you will select the option Creator Tools. Once you go into Creator Tools, you want to select the Live Center. When you select Live Center, you will then scroll all the way to the bottom and you will see the option for replays. You will see your replays will pop up with clips and highlights from the live stream. So you can select whatever live you want or whatever highlighted clip that you want, and you will then be able to download it or you'll be able to post it. You can optimize, save it to your drafts, or even if you want to, post it as a story. It's as easy as that. You now know how to access the replays to your TikTok live video content, whether via your desktop or laptop or via your mobile. And I know that if you are here, you love all of the TikTok tea. You want to grow, you want to build on the platform. I'm going to encourage you to click onto this video, which teaches you how to access the TikTok dual camera feature for live streaming. And I will see you on the next video.